Welcome to Question and Answer on Reproduction in Animals. Let's learn with MG, where stories, poems, and learning magic come together. Get ready to explore and enjoy. Question 1. Blank is the hard outer covering of an egg. Your options are albumen, shell, yolk, chick. The correct answer is B, shell. Question 2. The young one of a frog is called blank. Your choices are maggot, chick, caterpillar, tadpole. The correct answer is D, tadpole. Question 3. Which of the following animals shows a complete change in body structure from the young stage to the adult stage? Your options: hen, frog, snake, man. The correct answer is B, frog. Question 4. Kangaroo is an example of blank. Choose from aquatic animals, oviparous, marsupials, reptile. The correct answer is C, marsupials. Question 5. Which fish carry their eggs or young ones with them? Options are jellyfish, seahorse, starfish, clownfish. The correct answer is B, seahorse. Question 6. In the life cycle of a butterfly, which of the following changes into a pupa? Choices: adult female, eggs, larva, adult male. The correct answer is C, larva. Question 7. The yolk in the egg provides blank to the growing chick. Your options: nourishment, spawns, incubate, embryo. The correct answer is A, nourishment. Let's fill in the blanks. Birds give birth to their young ones by laying blank. Answer: eggs. The parent birds feed and care for the young ones till they are strong enough to blank. Answer: fly. The eggs of reptiles get warmth from the blank. Answer: sun. The process by which a tadpole undergoes several changes to become an adult frog is known as blank. Answer: met. Let's fill in the blanks. The larva of a butterfly is called blank. Answer: caterpillar. Animals that give birth to young ones and feed them with their milk are called blank. Answer: mammals. The shedding of old skin by a nymph is called blank. Answer: molting. The mass of eggs laid by a fish is called blank. Answer: spawn. An egg of a cockroach transforms into a form called blank. Answer: nymph. The larva of a housefly is called blank. Answer: maggot. Let's try some true or false. Frogs lay eggs in still water bodies. Answer: true. An egg yolk is rich in fats, vitamins, and minerals. Answer: true. The nymph of a grasshopper looks very similar to the adult grasshopper. Answer: true. The body of a reptile is covered with hair. Answer: false. Match the columns. A. Mosquito matches with 2, wiggler, B. Butterfly matches with 4, caterpillar, C. Housefly matches with 1, maggot, D. Frog matches with 3, tadpole. Well done. Define the following. Reproduction is the process by which living beings produce young ones of their own kind. Hatching means coming out of the young chick from the eggs after it is fully grown. Life cycle is the various stages of development of an animal from the embryo to a mature adult. Incubation is sitting on eggs to hatch them by the warmth of the body. Viviparous animal. The animals which give birth to their young ones are called viviparous animals, for example deer, lion, and cow. Oviparous animal. The animals which give birth to their young ones through eggs are called oviparous animal. According to habitat, we can divide oviparous animals into 3 categories. Aerial oviparous animals, birds. Terrestrial oviparous animals, insects and snakes. Aquatic oviparous animals, fishes and frogs. Name the following. A thread-like structure covering the pupa is called cocoon. The animals that carry their young ones in their pouch are marsupials. An animal that lays eggs is oviparous. A growing baby inside the egg is called embryo. Short answers. What are the different ways by which animals reproduce? Animals reproduce in 2 ways. By giving birth to young ones, and by laying eggs. What is gestation period? The fixed period for which the young ones of mammals develop inside the mother's body. What do the young babies of animals that give birth feed on? They feed on their mother's milk until they learn to eat other food. Why do adult birds sit on their eggs? Adult birds sit on their eggs to keep them warm until they hatch. Short answers. What helps an embryo to nourish inside a bird's egg? Yolk helps an embryo to nourish inside a bird's egg. What is albumin? Albumin is the clear liquid found in an egg that surrounds the yolk. It is also called egg white, and is a rich source of protein. How do mammals take care of their young ones? Mammals feed their young ones with milk, keep them clean, warm, and protect them from enemies and hazards until they can look after themselves. Do all animals give birth to live young ones? No, some animals lay eggs, while others give birth to live young ones. Why is reproduction important for animals? It ensures the continuation of their species. Long answers. Describe the structure of an egg. An egg has a hard protective outer covering called shell. Within the shell, there is a white jelly-like substance rich in protein called the albumin. In the middle of the egg is yolk, which is rich in vitamins and minerals. What are different stages of development in a frog? The different stages of development in a frog are eggs, tadpole, young frog, and adult frog. Metamorphosis is the process by which a tadpole turns into an adult. Long answers. Explain the life cycle of butterfly. Butterfly undergoes 4 stages of growth. Egg. The mother butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of plants. Larva. The young one that hatches from the eggs looks like a worm. It is called larva. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. Pupa. The larva feeds and grows rapidly. After some time it stops eating and makes a covering for itself called pupa. Inside it the caterpillar keeps on changing. Butterfly. In a few weeks the pupa bursts open and an adult butterfly comes out. Give reasons. Why does a fish lay thousands of eggs? A fish lays thousands of eggs because bigger fishes and other animals eat up many eggs and young fishes. Only a few of them grow into adult fishes. Reptile eggs have leathery shells. Reptile eggs have leathery and elastic shell so that they do not break when they are laid on the ground. All creatures must reproduce. All creatures are born, age, and finally die. Therefore, to preserve their species, they must reproduce. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Remember to review the material again to reinforce your learning. Keep exploring and stay curious about the amazing world of animal reproduction.